going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. It's a cold morning, and guess what? It was really cold last night. I think the temp was down to around -12, and then this morning it was -7. And I went out to start my tractor because I want to bring the tractor in the shop here. I got a few little jobs to do to it, get ready for winter. My tractor wouldn't start, believe it or not. -7, no snow, no nothing. It was windy, and the tractor wouldn't go. So I took my booster pack. Hey, my good old booster pack, right? Those little ones you get, you know, supposed to be the answer. Didn't make any difference at all. That booster pack, not much good for starting the tractor. So I ended up biting the bullet, and I said, enough of this. I need a serious kind of a battery charger, battery booster, especially for starting my tractor. So I went to Canadian Tire. Hey, never had time to go to Amazon, so I went to Canadian Tire, and guess what? They had this one on special, half price. So let's go have a look at it. Okay, this is what I ended up getting. It's a MotoMaster. That's a Canadian Tire brand. It's a 200 amp engine start current, 40 amps or 15 amps boost charge, or a 6 amp charge. It has handles and a wheel. You kind of wheel it around. It says there's a 3-year warranty on it. And you know what? Canadian Tire, I love to hate Canadian Tire, but it's not a bad store really when you get right down to it. The biggest thing I hate about Canadian Tire is they got a great big store with about, 6 checkouts, and they have like 2 of them going, and the lineup could be halfway across the store and they wouldn't open another checkout. That burns my, bananas when it comes to Canadian Tire. But anyway, it's just so happened today I needed this battery charger because I got fed up trying to jumpstart my tractor, and it's not even the middle of the winter yet. It's not even winter time yet. So what do? I go on Canadian Tire and I look, and this charger I think was $320 or something, and it was on sale for $159. So there you go. The very day I needed one, it's on sale. I can't believe it. Canadian Tire, thank you a lot. I appreciate that. But it seems I've done that more than once, like I'm in the need for something. So I go look Canadian Tire, they have it on sale. And the good thing about Canadian Tire is, if it's not on sale today, it probably will be next week or the week after, right? Okay, on the back of the box here it has some information about it. It says it's advanced 5-stage charging system. It's an advanced microprocessor technology, senses battery requirements and regulates charge cycle, providing a faster, safer, and more thorough charging. Isn't that awesome? So it says it'll desulfify your battery, I guess in lead acid batteries or gel type batteries. Sulfate forms on the plates, and this will desulfate those. But it'll also maintain your battery. So it sounds like it does everything but the dishes. So let's open her up and see exactly what's inside this fancy box. I like this, as soon as you open the box, the first thing you see, instructions. Okay, we won't throw those away, but I'm not going to get right at them right away. It's heavy. Nothing to that. The handle slides up and locks in place. There's a couple little buttons on the back. I just noticed you can push those buttons in. Slide the handle back down so it's not in the way. But I think I'll leave it up because I'll be wanting to roll it around, like a suitcase. Okay, it's got positive, negative leads. That's handy. It plugs into 110 power, and I do have 110 power out in the tractor shelter. I'm noticing too it's cold in the shop here this morning, and I'm noticing that this wire is staying pretty pliable even in the cold. So I like that. The leads on it, they're not like a big grade of lead. Let me see what's it say on them here. Number 8. It's only number 8 wire, but I guess it's only doing 200 amps, right? Only, I say. So I was out this morning trying to start my tractor, and it wouldn't go. And like, it's not even winter time yet. So I was pretty bummed about that. I'm going to plug it in just right now. Okay, I was just reading through the manual and I think I got an understanding of the panel here. It's pretty simple, really. This is the button here, this gray circle, to change the modes. Just one press. So at the top one here, that's you charge. It's a 6 amp charge rate that it has there, eh? And then if you push it again, this one says boost charge, between 40 and 15 amps. From what I can tell there is you can put it on there and it'll charge your battery quicker. It's like a rapid charge rate for your battery charger. Instead of charging at 6 amps, it'll charge it between 15 and 40 amps. They say it'll cut the charge time on your battery by a half or more, right? And then one more push goes on the 200 amp, and this is for starting the engine, and what that's meant to do is assist your already somewhat discharged battery that's in your vehicle. This will assist it with 200 more amps of capacity. So what you do is you unplug everything first before you attach any of the leads to your battery. So with it unplugged, you'll attach the negative lead to the negative post, the positive lead to the positive post. In fact, they want you to put the positive one on first, then the negative one. And then once they're connected, you plug it in and then you select your mode. So if I'm going to charge the battery, I'll set it, say, at 6 amps, and then I'll push start. And it'll start and charge the battery. When the battery is fully charged, these LEDs will come into effect and it'll say like charging, full charge, or maintaining the charge. And it will maintain a charge for up to 12 hours and then it'll go into abort mode. In other words, the charger will shut off, so you can't, say, overcook your battery, something like that. So it looks like it's a pretty decent rig. Right now I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to take it out to the tractor shelter. I'm going to put it on this 200 amp start engine. See if I can start my tractor, because right now the tractor won't start. Okay, I'm out here in the shelter and we're going to use our new charger to boost the tractor. So I need to get access to the battery, so I'm going to use my remote battery power connector. And then it says to hook these up, so I'm just going to hook these on here and on here. This plug here is handy because I don't have to lift the hood on the tractor, so that's going to be all right. Now it says once they're hooked up, you turn on the charger. So I have it plugged into my power supply here, so I'll turn that on, and if you can see the lights up top, it says that's going to be like a quick charge in the battery. So I'm going to push this button again to go to the 200 amp. I'm going to push start, and we're going to go try and start the tractor. So wish me luck. Put some glow plugs on first, and then we'll try it. Kind of like that, eh? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with this. Now, it's not -7 right now. I'm not sure what the temperature is. -4, maybe -3, something like that. It's not as cold as it was this morning when the tractor wouldn't go. Then I had to go to town and get my charger. So the tractor may have started under its own battery power, but putting this booster on there, that sure helped it. I think this is going to work good. I hope I never have to use it through the winter, but if I ever do, I've got it. And also this little external battery connection for the direct connect to the battery. That's going to be some handy to have too. Alright, I think my new MotoMaster battery booster pack is going to be a good add to the shop. I put it to use already. It's not even 6 hours old yet and I've used it. And the instructions pretty simple, pretty clear, pretty easy to read. I like it. And you know, I think this, I hope I don't use it a lot, but I probably will use it a lot this winter. So thanks for watching. Sure hope you enjoyed this little video about me doing a rush purchase on a battery booster pack from Canadian Tire. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up me. Have a great week, folks, and we'll talk to you soon.